like Sydney Road, Brunswick. Since I came to Australia, this is my favorite place. The food, the sweets, the shops, the people, the vibe, the whole atmosphere. It's multicultural, it's diverse, and you can have anything you like on Sydney Road, Brunswick.
Raised in the Brunswick and Coburg area, so I was pretty much born into Sydney Road. I love it because it's multicultural, it's so colourful, great food, great people.
The Anstey Village Festival today to create a collaborative art project that focuses on what people love about their own culture and family, and that we're all part of the same world and we're all connected, and it's really good representation of our community here.